Hey, you didn't throw a bluegill in? He's going in.
Oh yeah, baby. That's what's up right there.
We're here today, beautiful Southwest Florida. Kind of a little overcast, stormy, windy. It's not the most ideal fishing conditions for peacock bass. They are very, very elusive, but we're gonna try to get it done. So let's get it on.
What's going on? It's peacock time. Trying some new water. Got some live baits. See what happens. I'm videoing.
I know you probably like if you zoom it on me. It's like a 10-pound.
Alright, I'm getting a bait. You got him?
Dude, tell him. No, there's no way that's him. It's way too light. Dude, throw out there in the middle now. Biggest peacock I've ever seen in my life. I swear to God, in my life, dude. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. Oh my God, that was the biggest peacock I've ever seen. Oh, dude, there's a big one right here.
That's what I'm saying.
The 6-pounder, he's big.
That's what I was talking about.
Oh, dude, look at how big he is.
You
Did you
spooked.
see him go over the fucking pipe? Dude, there's a 6 right here, Adam.
You spooked the f out of him.
He's
You want to
shake?
You want to hold it like? Yeah.
Hold it like that too.
Yeah.
Yo, hey, I call that 7-pounder down there on the 5-pounder down there on the bed.
I got that giant, dude. That's a stud. It's probably a 21-inch fish. Get back on his bed. Look at that nice hump. Oh my God!
Do I still have him?
I don't think so.
I just snapped my rod in half.
You just snapped your rod in half, boy.
I saw my tilapia. No, I don't know what it is. Oh my God, it feels heavy as fuck too. You let a peacock eat it for that long, and it comes up and it looks like that. Like, dude, that's just disappointing.
It's not a bad one. That's the one that was on the bed.
Yeah, it is. I'm so mad that thing didn't.
Yeah.
Rolling right
This is
now.
how the bassets fight fish right here.
Dude, this is big. Like this is the first key.
Doubled up.
This is the key. You want
That looks decent? No.
You want to turn them like this. You want to like put the reel upside down. It gives you more leverage.
Putting that Phoenix to work right now. Look how red that one is.
All these ones we've got.
Hold it up to the camera.
Like that one.
Oh yeah. Nice head dive.
You're on.
Bam. Am I?
It's 5 almost.
Bro, where should
He
we
called
go
it
now?
5. Well, I didn't see yours, but it's probably 5. So
I don't want to take him over here because he was on a bed.
No, it definitely was 5. I saw the exact one he caught. Look at this big one. He's gonna smoke it instantly too. He's a giant hump. Oh, he murdered it instantly. Is that... Yeah, he did. It's a huge one. Too.
I got that on video.
Big one? Yeah. Oh, the ones in here throw down too. It's probably a 3.5 pounder.
Easily.
Throw behind mine. There's definitely more.
Told you this lake was fire.
Hell yeah.
And we haven't, dude. There's so many other head rolls too. No, we won't. We won't.
Every cast, dude.
Every cast?
Every cast.
Let's not waste too much bait over here. I want to fish the other fights.
Look at the one chasing him.
Giant?
Look at the one chasing him. Look at him. Look at him.
Is there a big one?
Yeah, look. Cast right below. Look at it. It's so sick.
Oh yeah, watch this. He's gonna smoke it. Smoke it. That's so sick. What are you talking about? Yes, you can. Beach. Alright, you want to get this?
Oh my god, that's a giant.
He's gonna smoke it. It's
Dude,
big.
did you see him just eat that killifish on the
there?
surface?
Yeah, watch this.
Oh, it's over. Oh my god, he's so fired up. Oh, that was amazing. That was amazing.
That's a 5-pounder. Did you get this on video?
Yeah. Dude, did you see him eat that minnow on the surface?
That was dope. How many are following him? Here, watch out real quick. I'm gonna
That's definitely the biggest of the day.
He's
He's 5 for sure. Hold him the other way. Yeah. Yeah. There you go.
It's a good one.
Yeah. That's
Really
a good one.
Come over here. We're gonna run out. I said we just load up the rest of our bait in that bucket, but you didn't want to. Is there any more following? Is there more following? If they're small, I'm not gonna cast.
Yeah, we don't want to.
Yeah, we want to disturb bait because we could run into like knee.
I will say though, these things do fight.
They dog, bro. They
Yeah.
fight. Did you see that one?
Yeah.
You got that on video, right?
Yeah, you almost try to break you off from the pads.
Yeah, dude, he's fighting.
You guys would love smallmouth then.
Oh yeah, I bet they fight this similar, very similar.
They're even more acrobatic though.
Some people say they pull a little bit harder too.
It's so much more fun.
Got him. That's actually pretty good.
Yeah, it is nice.
They fight in here, bro. They really do.
That's another high 3, low 4.
Yeah.
Nice one chasing him too. It's a female.
It's probably the female on the. You want me to pluck the female on the bear hook? You get the big one, because there's a female down there with them. It's a nice one.
Hell yeah.
There's another one about this size on this.
That is a peacock, bro.
He's like 3 pounds.
No, he's not.
I don't know how he missed it. Oh,
You got the smaller one.
damn it!
Did he get the small
Dude,
one?
here, dude.
Fucking 5 pounders. Here, throw this big bait on this dead one if you want. Or do you want this one? Go get the bigger one. I'll just get
Seriously?
Okay, you can't give me that one. Definitely do. Go get the big one. You want it so bad. Got him. You getting this on video?
Hell yeah.
He's a nice one too. That big one's probably still out.
We don't have that much bait left, bro.
Well, we're only sight fishing. We should have
You
recording.
Yep. I'm releasing one. Jake's got one. Adam's about to get one. Chaos. Nice. Another nice 3-pounder probably.
Yeah, probably 3.
That shit's wild. Florida's a crazy place.
Oh, there he is. He's gonna smoke it. He's gonna smoke you. Yeah, you're ready. Right now.
I want to eat him.
Boom, boom, boom. Set. You got him. It's dead.
There's another one chasing this one. Dude, there's another big one, dude.
Are you serious?
Yes, look behind mine. There's another big one.
Don't worry, I'm using a small bait. We do not have a lot of bait left. There's actually a big one.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, 100%.
100%. Right there.
You're about to get clapped. You're about to get clapped.
I think I got a rat.
Oh, you got a rat. There is a big one though. There is a big one though.
Unless one's bigger than I think.
No, it's not. There is a big one, but whatever. We should probably just
Wait,
go.
do we have the same fish?
No.
2 good ones. Get a release video. Beautiful. Ryan,
That thing is a straight noodle, bro. That thing is a straight noodle.
look at the one fall on her. Is there any followers?
No.
Oh, my booty gets so long. That's a pretty good one.
No.
Man, he's not big.
It's a beautiful one though.
Nice hump on him.
That's actually like a fat one though. That's a healthy fish. Peace out, buddy. No, there's a bigger one though.
There's a bigger one?
It's still not like big though. Oh, there goes my rod. Yeah. This thing sucks anyway. It's gonna be the easiest thing in the entire world. Doesn't even have to cast it.
gonna get him to eat it on top. I'm gonna get him to pop it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. So easy. Oh my.
He's fighting too.
Oh my.
Yo, make sure they're nice and small. So many fucking peacocks.
This is so sick, dude.
Alright, let me get next big now. Since he overtook my fish. Nope, I got the big one.
Shut up, dude.
You had the f***ing wrap, what you have.
So cool, dude.
There's so many along this
I
wall.
think this is sick. I don't know, like, big ones or not, it's so cool.
I'm just gonna bear hook along this thing. I don't even need a weight to get it. We don't have enough bait to go
They're
there.
all the size of the big mud minnow one I got. That's like what you're gonna catch.
That's still awesome, though.
I'm on.
He got the big one. Probably gonna lose it.
Snakehead.
That's something big.
Look in his mouth.
It's either a gigantic peacock or a snakehead. Fighting like a peacock. He'll lose it, don't worry. What the f is that? Oh my god! Dude.
That's a giant.
Oh my god. Dude, that's like an 8-pounder. I'm not even f***ing around.
No,
You
it's
bet,
not. It's
dude.
like 5 pounds, bro. Calm down. It's like 5
That's pretty big.
I thought this lake sucked.
That's bigger than 5. Well, that's bigger than 5. What are you talking about? My god, dude. That's like throw
Dude,
back.
this
It's a big one.
It's not good. Holy hell. It's the fattest peacock I think I've ever seen in my life. Holy shit. Hold him sideways again. Oh my god.
I just cast it in there. Got one. Jake's got one. Did you lose it? Where's the other one?
Oh, I threw it back. I didn't.
Oh.
I thought you wanted to. Bro, look at the mouth. That'd be like a 6 if it was filled out.
Is this the same one?
Look at the small, disgusting
That's
tail.
actually a sick picture. Hold it up real quick. Actually kind of looks sick.
Dude,
Cool.
look at the mouth, bro.
Big old mouth.
You want to come get behind yours? Throw
He's behind you.
Throw
He got the
behind-
female
throw
on the
behind
bed.
mine.
He
Throw
got the
behind
female
mine.
on the bed. You got the
Throw
male.
behind mine. There's a huge one.
Oh, there's a big one trying to eat you too. Which one are you gonna get? Dakota?
Yeah, they do scrap. I wish I got that eat, but my GoPro's being.
Yes, it was the same. It was.
Or was it the one that was on the bed?
It might have been
That's
the
like
one
a
on the
5.
bed. Yeah,
that is
that's
a big
the
one.
5. He looked a lot bigger. He's kind of skinny though.
I'm getting tanked. Oh no, he's actually bigger. Oh, there's more following him if you want to go get a bait and catch a follower.
There's more behind him.
I don't care, dude.
Decent one.
Yeah. Literally just told you to cast right in front of you, and he ate it. That's pretty cool.
The 4-pounder.
Yeah, we'll give her 4 and a quarter.
Yeah.